Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and being well. So children, what is this? This is the exercise of this is a chapter going for a picnic. We started the chapter before some days, chapter 3 of English, going for a picnic. The day is Sunday and Samir and his family is going to picnic. They are helping each other in packing the things. Samir is packing the buns in the red box and Sarah is packing the cakes in the blue box. They all are helping each other in packing the things, and the grandfather asked Sarah to bring paper plates. Sarah runs to the kitchen and she brings the paper plates from the kitchen. Now on the next page, what can you see in the picture? That grandmother is making sandwiches for everyone. Grandmother is making tomato, cucumber and cheese sandwich for everyone. She packs them in a basket. She is packing the sandwiches in the basket, and after this father carries the cricket bats to the car. He calls out Samir that please bring the cricket ball, and cricket ball is kept inside the toy basket. Is kept in the toy basket. Samir runs to the toy basket and he picks up the cricket ball and football, and they pack everything in the car. Now they are ready to go for a picnic. Now they all are ready to go for a picnic. Now come to the exercise part of the chapter, page number 14. Page number 14. Who does these things? Who does these things? ये सब काम किसने किए? PACKS packs buns in the box. Who packs buns in the box? Samir. SAMEER Samir. Who packs buns in the box? Samir. Makes sandwiches. Who makes sandwiches? Grandmother. GRAND grand. MOTHER mother. Grandmother. Brings the football. Who brings the football? SAMEER Samir. SAMEER Samir. Gets paper plates. Who gets the paper plates? Sarah. SARA Sarah. Next, true false. Samir and his family are going for a picnic. If you say yes, if the statement is right, अगर statement right है तो आप उसके लिए true use करेंगे. अगर statement wrong है आप उसके लिए false use करेंगे. Samir and his family are going for a picnic. Yes, to write true. TRUE true. Sarah walks. WALKS walks to the kitchen to get paper plates. क्या सारा चल के जाती हैं पेपर प्लेट्स लेने के लिए? नो. सारा रन करके जाती हैं, तो द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. FALSE false. Next, Samir packs the buns in the blue box. Yes, Samir packs the buns in the blue box. The statement is false because he packs the buns in the red box. Grandmother makes sandwiches for Sarah and Samir. Yes, true. The statement is correct, so you will write true. Father puts the toy basket in the car. क्या father toy basket कार में रखते हैं? False. No. He keeps cricket bats, balls and football. Next is match. Match the word in column A related to the word in column B. मैच करना है column A से related word column B. Buns, red box. Cakes, blue box. Sandwiches, basket. Grandmother packs sandwiches in the basket. Bats and balls, car. Paper plates in the shelf. So in the first column the words are written and you have to match with the other one. Buns with the red box, cakes in the blue box, sandwiches in the basket, bats and balls in the car, and paper plates in the shelf. Come to the next page, page number 15. Here a family tree has been given in the picture. So what you have to do, there are some relations in a family. Like in the previous chapter we have studied, there is a small family and there is a big family. A small family consists of only mother, father, sister and brother, but a big family consists of more than 4 members. Like in the big family, aunt, uncle, grandfather, grandmother, all are considered. So in this what is given? A girl is given, Lena, and his family's names have been given. Her family's names have been given. That Lena's grandfather is Madan Mehta and his grandmother is Kamlesh Mehta. Leena's father is Ashok Mehta and Leena's mother is Renu Mehta and Leena's brother is Anil. So our family members of the family have been given and their names have been written in this question. Leena's grandfather Madan Mehta and his grandmother is Kamlesh Mehta. So what you have to do in this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with the particular names, that what is their names and what is their relation. Leena's grandfather is Madan Mehta and grandmother is Kamlesh Mehta. So come to the fill-ups. Leena's dash is Madan Mehta. Leena की कौन है मदन मेहता? Grandfather. GRAND grand. FATHER father. Grandfather. GRAND grand. FATHER father. Grandfather. Her dash is Kamlesh Mehta. उसकी कौन है कमलेश मेहता? Grandmother. GRAND grand. MOTHER mother. Grandmother. Next one is Renu Mehta is Leena's mother. Renu Mehta is Leena's MOTHER mother. Next one is Ashok Mehta is, who is Ashok Mehta of Leena? He is the father. FATHER father. Dash is Leena's B dash. What is the B? B is starting from what? Grandfather will not come, mother will not come. F for father, M for mother, B for brother. So Anil is Leena's brother. In the first blank, Anil will come. ANIL, Anil is Leena's brother. BROTHER brother. Last one is Leena is Anil's dash. Leena कौन है? अनिल की sister. SISTER sister. SISTER sister. So children, you have to complete the exercise on page number 14 and 15. And take care everyone. Stay safe. Stay home everyone. Bye.